Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. So today I am going to share with you my David Yurman inspired necklace. And this just really turned out so cute. I love it. I love how it turned out. And I used this round metal piece that was sort of like, if you can see it, is not like even. It has like these little bumpy pieces to it. And this turned out super cute. The chain I picked up from Michael's, and I'm just really happy with this. I will insert a picture and show you my inspiration piece. But this was so quick and easy, and it just really turned out super, super cute. So that was my inspo picture, and I think that this turned out really, really good. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And stay tuned and we'll make it. I'll see you later, friends. Bye. All right, friends. So for this one, I'm going to use my open bezel. So whatever it is that you want. Of course, the inspo picture was with a gold roped looking piece. I have this piece that I just thought was really cute. It's like a wavy circle, and then I used one of those little round jewelry rings that I showed you, and I just used my scissors and cut it in half, and I made some different sizes until I decided how big I wanted. So I put my round circle on a piece of tape and made sure that everything was pressed down well so that it would not, so that it wouldn't leak. And then I put my little half piece of my jewelry ring in the center, and that gave me my opening. And so now I'm just going to use a little bit of black mica powder, and I'm using my Resin Rockers hard type UV resin, and I'm just going to mix that up. And I'm going to fill my center. Now, of course, my little ring piece, I am not going to allow that to get any of the resin in it. Use a toothpick to go around really well. And then I'm going to put this in for 4 minutes. Now, because my little ring is really sort of thin, I'm going to turn it over and let it go another 4 minutes because I want to make sure that the back is really hard also, because I don't want anything pulling up when I take the tape off. And then after this goes under the light, then I'm going to take it out, take the tape off. Super easy. I'm just going to put a nice clear coat of UV resin on the back. And when I do the back with my toothpick, I'm actually going to let it go ahead and get to the, get on the back of the jewelry piece a little bit, just to make sure that it all stays really well. Of course, use my flame to get rid of any bubbles. Now, my husband has a terrible habit of stealing my lighters, so I had to borrow his lighter, and this one has a small flame. I prefer ones that have a little bit of a stick. Be very careful, please do not burn yourself. And then after I do the back side of this, then I'm going to turn around and I'm going to do the front side of this. And both with the clear UV resin. And then that's it. It's done. Put the chain in it. Like, this seriously was so quick, but it turned out super, super cute. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, hit subscribe. Bye, friends.